It is crazy that brand new stores making over 1,000 a day. Making money was never easier. In this video, I will tell you exactly what you need to focus on to make it too. It is called GAR, which means grabbing attention rate. Let me explain. I will tell you story with hidden answer. Only people with IQ over 130 will be able to get it. Carefully, once you do, you become obsessed. Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a young man named Brian. Brian had always been intrigued by the idea of financial freedom, and he knew that the path to achieving it was through entrepreneurship. With a heart full of ambition and a burning desire for success, he decided to embark on a life-changing journey. Brian understood that in the world of e-commerce, the key to success was grabbing the attention of potential customers. It wasn't enough to simply have a great product. One needed to master the art of capturing people's interest instantly. He coined this concept the grabbing attention rate. Armed with determination, Brian set out to create his online store from scratch. He was determined to make it a place that not only offered exceptional products but also compelled visitors to stay, explore, and make purchases. His first step was to identify a niche that resonated with his own passions and interests. After much research and soul-searching, he settled on high-quality, eco-friendly lifestyle products. Brian believed that promoting sustainability and responsible consumerism was not only good for the planet but also a key driver of success in the modern market. With his niche chosen, Brian set to work. He spent countless hours designing his online store, ensuring it was visually appealing and user-friendly. Every aspect of his store, from the color scheme to the layout, was carefully selected to create a seamless and captivating browsing experience. But Brian knew that the true magic lay in the details. He invested time in crafting product descriptions that not only highlighted the features but also told a compelling story. He believed that storytelling was the secret to connecting with potential customers on a deeper level. To drive home the importance of sustainability, Brian incorporated eco-friendly packaging and made sure his customers knew that every purchase contributed to a greener planet. He believed that the social and environmental impact of his store was as important as its financial success. As the store took shape, Brian focused on the grabbing attention rate. He learned the art of creating eye-catching headlines and engaging social media content. He knew that the first impression was often the only chance to capture a visitor's interest, so he poured his creativity into every element of his marketing strategy. Within a month of launching his online store, something incredible happened. Brian's grabbing attention rate was through the roof. Visitors were not just browsing, they were captivated. They stayed to explore his products, read his compelling stories, and share his mission of sustainability. Sales began pouring in and Brian's financial situation transformed. He had achieved what many considered impossible, financial freedom in just 1 month. His store had not only created a successful business, but had also become a platform to spread awareness about responsible consumerism and the importance of sustainable living. Brian's story quickly spread throughout the entrepreneurial community. Aspiring business owners sought his advice on mastering the grabbing attention rate. He shared his wisdom generously, emphasizing that in the world of e-commerce, it wasn't just about selling products, it was about capturing hearts and minds. Brian's journey to financial freedom had not only enriched his life, but had also inspired countless others to follow their dreams, create meaningful businesses, and make a positive impact on the world. His success was a testament to the power of determination, creativity, and the art of grabbing attention. Did you find what was the keyword? Do not overuse it.